The fine creamy white liquid, designated WP70, undergoes evaporation and spray drying under vacuum.
The robot just completed the first sample.
Levels look optimal for the batch.
Only milk meeting the Grade A standard is processed into our high-purity WP70 formula.
The spectral analysis on the WP70 confirms the profile. We are cleared for processing.
Confirmed. Routing the batch to the heat exchangers now.
The precision engineering stabilizes the raw material and minimizes thermal degradation, preserving the nutritional integrity of the final products.
The large volume of skim milk flows into a series of highly polished stainless steel holding tanks, ready for pre-concentration.
A specialized filter array consisting of ultra-fine mesh screens processes the skim milk stream.
The densitometer probe ensures the total solids content reaches the optimal 48.5% for the WP70 whole milk powder.
The preheated cream stream is vigorously agitated inside a large, high-speed churning vessel.
The concentrated skim milk is drawn by a high-pressure pump, preparing it for atomization.
Warm whole milk powder exits the drying chamber and enters a fluid bed cooler. Chilled air is pushed.
The automated system smoothly slots the WP70 milk powder into high-level storage.
Here, the partially purified gold fat, liquid fat, is moved to the final moisture removal stage.
A specialized inline spectrometer.
The final polishing stage involves passing the hot, golden liquid fat through a battery of ultra-fine filters and The controlled cooling rate is essential here, preventing crystallization defects and ensuring the stability of the final product.
Sequence complete. Pallet ready for transfer. Efficiency rating 99%.
The centrifugal separators and vacuum dryers are now in Slizinas, hot water and cleaning chemicals.
The high-purity anhydrous milk fat is securely wrapped and labeled, ensuring its integrity for international shipment.
The high-purity anhydrous milk fat leaves the controlled environment, merging into the complex logistics network on its way to the industrial customer.
The high-purity milk fat is pumped directly into the continuous industrial fryer, maintaining stability even.
From whole milk raw material to premium snack, the sheer volume here highlights the massive industrial demand for our high-purity milk fat.
Trusted worldwide, our high-purity anhydrous milk fat ensures quality from the factory to your home, starting with whole milk.